Hi friends, welcome to Easy Classes. I'm Shweta here. Today I'm going to show you very useful and helpful Samsung secret codes on your Android phone. If you're watching first time our video, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon to support us. Let's jump into the tutorial. The very important secret codes are here. The first secret code is find Imei number of your phone. Before to execute the code, open your dial pad. The code is here *#06#. Here you will get your Imei number of your phone. If you are using dual SIMs, you can get 2 Imei numbers. Then moving to next code. Okay, and the next second important secret code is test your hardware. The code is here *#0*#. Here you will get the many options to test your hardware like speaker, sensor, touch or colors like that. Let's move to test our hardware. I will test speaker. The sound is coming, so your hardware device is working. So like this you can check many options. So I'll move to next secret code back. And the next important secret code is to find software and hardware information. The code is here. Again you need to open keypad *#12580*369 and #. So here you will get many software and hardware information codes and move to back. The next very important secret code is dump mode. The code is here *#9900#. Here you will find delete dump state or lock cat. Click this and delete dump pop-up will come. Click OK. It will fix insufficient storage error on your Samsung phone. Okay, go back. And the next important secret code is to update camera firmware. The code is here *#349711539#. Here you will get the phone or cam FW word check here. Here you will get the camera versions of your phone. I am having 3 cameras backend and 1 front camera. And okay, go back. If you want to know call forwarding details on your mobile, the code is here *#61# and dial from your SIM. So here you will get the call forwarding details is enabled or disabled. You can check here. One okay and go back. The next secret code is change USB settings. The code is here *#0808#. So here you can get the USB settings of your phone. If you want to change, so click the options and okay. And these are all the secret codes found for you. Thanks for watching. We will meet you in the next video.